In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password for Jotform PDF attachments. If you're looking to add an extra layer of security to your PDF submissions from Jotform, setting up a password is a great way to protect sensitive information. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process. Let's get started by visiting Jotform's website at jotform.com. You'll land on the sign-in page where you can log in using a Google account, a Microsoft account, or simply by entering an email address and password. After signing in, you'll be directed to your workspace where you can see all the forms you've created or have access to. Next, select the form you want to modify. Click on it and then choose the Edit Form option. This action will take you to the Form Builder interface where you can make the necessary adjustments to the form and its settings. With the form open, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Settings tab. This tab contains a variety of configuration options for your form. On the left hand side, you'll notice a series of options. Find the one labelled Emails and give it a click. Now that you're in the email settings, look for the email template you want to update. This could be a notification email or an autoresponder depending on your needs. To edit it, click on the small pencil icon next to the email template you wish to modify. This opens up the email editor where you can tweak various settings. Inside the email editor, find the Advanced tab. This section contains options for enhancing your email delivery and attachments. One important feature you'll want to activate here is the PDF attachment. Simply toggle this setting to Yes to ensure that the submitted form is attached as a PDF file within the email. Now, let's move on to securing your PDF. Look for an option to enable PDF password. Once you check this box, a field will appear allowing you to enter a password of your choice. Carefully input the password that you want to use to protect the PDF files. Make sure it is something secure and memorable, yet not easily guessed by others. Once you've set everything up, the final step is to click the Save button. This action saves your changes and ensures that moving forward, the PDFs attached to your form submissions will be password protected. By following these steps, you have successfully created an added layer of security and privacy for your Jotform submissions. And there you go, you've enhanced the security of your Jotform submissions by setting a password for PDF attachments. Consistent application of protective measures like these ensures the safe handling of sensitive data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.